7.2, Mash. 7.2, here we're supposed to differentiate in terms of t. We can't differentiate in terms of t while we're saying alarm brackets loud. So we're supposed to first point. So if we point this, we got dx or dt. So this is over now, pick up bracket, which is going to give us 2t squared. And then this one multiplied by this one gives us 18. And then it's going to say plus 7t minus 4. And then that's one we can factor differentiate. Then they will give us a mark for this here. And then after that, we start to differentiate. In the differentiate, you're going to get 4 t plus 7. We're done.
Yes.
And then we get 1 mark, and then we also get 1 mark today. We're done with that one.
Yes.
The next one, it says determine dq all over dp. You remember what dp say? This means q is the subject. And then when we're differentiating in terms of what of p. So what does that mean? It means we are supposed to make q the subject. So we're going to put q on the left-hand side. So go and highlight people that have q. Remember this person doesn't have a q, you leave it. This one has a q. You take it. This one also has a q. Take it. So I'm going to put the q to one side and the one that doesn't have q to one side. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Working with negatives is a little bit complicated for me. Most of the time I try to work with the positive. So I would have said, let's take these people to this side. So I'm going to have 9 p squared. And then I'm going to take this person because they don't have a q to this side. Minus 1. We're just going to, if you take everyone to this other side, it says you're going to have 3pq plus q. Not to say what you are wrong if you took when this person to this other side. Now we're still doing exactly the same thing. It's just I'm comfortable working with positives than negatives. So I'm going to take out a common factor here, which is q. If I take out q as a common factor, this one is gone. So I'm going to be left with 3p plus 1. This one here is a difference of 2 squares. And then you should have seen it because here you're going to divide with this thing, it has 2 terms, meaning which you are supposed to factor this. So you're going to have 3p plus 1 minus 1 all over 3p plus 1. And then it says which q is going to be given as 3p minus 1. Then you can differentiate it.
Yes.
Then you have dq all over dp, which is going to give us 3.
Yes.
We're sharp.
We are good.
So what is the key here? The key thing is that you need to group the ones that have a P1, the ones that have the one that you want to make a subject one side. Anything else is fine, you're going to group it one side, but you want the one that is supposed to be the subject to be isolated. And guys, I'm a question that I found, like we just saw a question like that one. There was this one that they gave them. There was x, y plus 4 plus 2. I'm just giving you an example. And then they say determine dy all over the x. What does this mean? Who should be the subject here? It's y. So I'm going to group the people that have y. This one has y, this one also has y. You put them one side and then you put everyone else to the other side. Sharp.